Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I've been shopping again, so let's look at all the goodies I got. I went to Dollar Tree. Now I haven't been in there in quite a while, but I wanted to go to kind of get ideas for Christmas. Now their Christmas items are not out yet, but you don't necessarily have to have it be a Christmas item specifically. You want to look for things you can use for Christmas decor and or gifts. So this is a star, so I was thinking about making a Christmas themed star rag wreath. Now I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. This is a piece of wood that's been, I don't know if that's, yeah, it's got fabric on it that's been glued on. So I might make this into a Christmas ornament that you can hang on the wall, probably putting little pine needles, little red bulbs, things like that. And then this one I thought about for Christmas. I like to do cross stitch. Now I haven't done my cross stitch tips in a while. I've had a problem with my left hand, but I'm going to be doing it. So I was thinking about putting some little welcome home to Christmas, something like that, and with some other decor, some ribbons and other artificial foliage. Now this one, not quite sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm thinking about putting a pumpkin here and a pumpkin here, and just getting some fabric and cutting it in the shape of a pumpkin, and then in the middle putting some sort of fall themed saying in there. This is a wire basket, and I want to put either Thanksgiving themed fabric on it. I'm not sure what kind of trim yet, or I may even go ahead and make a second one with a Christmas theme on it. Now you're probably thinking this is kind of early to be talking about Thanksgiving and Christmas, but when you sew and you do crafts, you're never too early, because the items, supplies will start disappearing off the shelf very quickly. So I advise you to go into the stores and start stocking up a little bit, or looking around to see what you want to make. Now here's a Christmas gift idea. You can get these little books. Some of them are calendars, some of them are sketchbooks or little diary type books, and you can make a beautiful book cover for them. When I saw these, I got very excited, because if you are into quilting and you like to make quilts for your grandkids, or you like to make it as a shower gift, you can use these shapes to applique onto your fabric so that you can put it into a quilt. So these were really inexpensive, and they're very useful for a variety of things. Also, you can even use some of them to make pot holders, especially if you're into the ocean theme or cats and dogs. I wanted to grab up some tissue paper, because I noticed that's one of the things that starts disappearing off the shelf the closer you get to fall and Christmas. Now they're not exactly Christmas colors, but white goes with anything, and then there's some yellow and even some blues you can use for your Christmas presents. Now I know clips have nothing to do with sewing, but in my sewing room, I have lots of pieces and projects pre-cut that are sitting around in piles. And sometimes the pieces come up missing for whatever reason. So I use clips like this to hold it all together so it won't fly into another stack. If you are going to give decorative towels as gifts, this is the time to buy them. They don't have to have a Christmas theme on it. So if you know someone, they have a yellow kitchen, they can use yellow decorative towels. Or maybe they're into drinking wine. This has a wine theme on it. These I purchased at Walmart, and also the clips I just showed you previously were also from Walmart. This is fleece, and it's pre-cut. I think it's 1.5 yards, and it's got dogs all over it. I'm going to be doing a dog bed tutorial. I hope within the next few months that you'll see it. It's not going to be hard to do at all. I use a lot of Polyfill. And yes, this is a really big bag. But for Christmas, I go through a lot of it. And this was purchased at Walmart. They do sell them in smaller bags. When you buy the smaller bag, often it has a pattern on it. It could be an animal or a dog, whatever, some other little critter. And so it's free, and you get the Polyfill already in your price. All you got to do is whip out some scrap fabric, and you can make a cute present for somebody at Christmas. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul. Now remember, get out there into those stores and start getting your ideas together and gathering up all of your supplies. If you're interested in my sewing tips of the week, I've got many. Go down below your YouTube screen and click on that playlist. I'll also have links to other beginners sewing projects. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to know what kind of projects I'm making, check out my Facebook page. You'll see some gorgeous pictures of many of our projects. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.